Hey everybody, welcome back. Emiliano here. This is another video, and we just well, you probably just finished looking or viewing the previous video where we spoke about the Facebook ad funnel, and we touched a little bit on custom audiences. So here I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how you guys can create your own custom audience, and you guys can retarget the folks who engaged with your videos. Okay, so remember how in the previous video we talked about creating a video that's packed with value, and you show your authority, and then you retarget the folks who engage with that video with 50 or 75% more viewers. Viewers who viewed your video 50 or 75% of the whole video, right? So I'm going to show you how to get there in your Facebook Ads Manager and how to create that custom audience, okay? So sounds complicated, but it's really not. So you go to your Facebook Business Manager, right? That's the screen that you guys are seeing right now. You're going to go up here to the three lines where it says Business Settings. You're going to click on Events Manager, Audiences. You're going to click on Audiences, and then it's going to take you to your audience page. Okay, this big blue button right here, Create Audience. Well, first of all, again, you got to make sure you're in the right business manager. Okay, so remember you can create several accounts. From here you choose the right account. You make sure you're the right account. And you're gonna create audience. Okay, now here you're gonna go to custom audience. Okay, there's other stuff there like lookalike audience and special ad audience, but we're not gonna get into that right now. Just focus on custom audience. Okay, so click on custom audience, and then here, this is where the magic happens, guys. So just to tie it in with the previous video, you're going to look for engagement. So folks who engage with your initial video where you did not ask for any commitment from the viewer, right? You just wanted to put yourself out there and expose yourself and get the viewers to actually know who you are. So now we want to narrow down your audience and target them to ask for a commitment from them, right? So you're going to go here where it says video. You're going to click on video, and of course, because we're going to target, we created a video, right? So engagement. Now here, this is where you choose the length of time the viewer actually engaged with your video. So if it's a long video, then probably 50%, like if the people viewed your video for about 50% and then got off, that's probably a good measurement. Okay, if it's a short video, if it's a 30-second video, you probably want to target people who viewed 75% or 95% of your video. Okay, so just go based off that. So let's say you want to choose a video 50% of people who viewed your video, at least 50%. You're going to click here, and now you're going to choose your video. All right, so it's going to let you choose a video, and you can choose your video from a campaign, from a previous campaign. If you put something on your Facebook page, on your Instagram, or if you have the actual video ID, if you want to, we'll get into that later. You don't need to know about that right now. So let's say you want to look at a Facebook page. You have something on your Facebook page and you want to engage with people who viewed that video, then you obviously have to look for your Facebook page. Click down here and then you look for your Facebook page. But for all intents and purposes, for what we spoke about in the last video, it's a campaign. You're looking for a video from that you posted in a campaign. Okay, so you're gonna go to campaign and then choose one of your campaigns. So let's go here, this campaign I have here, and then I wanted to choose this video, right? So I'm gonna confirm. Is it confirming? Confirm. So people who watched at least 50% of this video in the past 365 days, and then you can just choose here 90 days or 30 days or whatever the case is, and then you name it. Okay, and then you just hit create audience, and boom, you have your audience. So now when you create your next campaign, that's going to be your audience. Okay, and I'll show you how to pick your audience when we're actually creating the Facebook ad, and I'll show you that in the full course in the video in my full course. Okay, now that I have you here, let's just do something here. I just want to show you something real quick. If you go to create audience again, you can, with the funnels, since you are creating your own website, like small funnels, you can come here and create your custom audience for your website. So people who've engaged with your website. Now this is really cool because you might have people who landed on your page, but for some reason they didn't take the offer, right? So you can create another ad that retargets those folks. And it can be something very very customized to them, because it can be something like, hey, I know you landed on my I know you landed on my page, but for some reason you didn't execute and you didn't take the exclusive list that I have for you. Something like that, something along those lines where it's speaking to them directly. So you can come here and then in the past 30 days again, and you're going to pick the Facebook pixel, which we'll talk about that later. We'll create the Facebook pixel in the full course. And then you can either choose all visitors or people who visit a specific page, for example. So if you have the page path, page path that says thank you, how it says the name of the page and then / and then there's a name of the page. That's what you put here. So I'm just giving you an example. / thank you. That would be the page where they landed. So anyways, you just pick the page where and then you give it a name and then you create the audience. So that's how you create that. And that's what's so cool about the funnels, because you can start creating all these customizations. And then one last thing before I let you go, I just get excited talking about this. I just want to show you here. So if you have an Instagram account, or a Facebook page, you can also create a custom audience for that. So let's say you want to create a custom audience for your Instagram account. You come here, you pick your Instagram account. If you have more than one, you pick the length of time. And let's say I want to do this for the past 365 days. Then I name it IG. Let me see. All IG engagement. Yeah, engagement. I'm just gonna put 365 days. That way I know that's what that audience is. I'm gonna go here, boom, create, and now I have my audiences created, and it's gonna give me an extra step if I wanted to go forward with it, and that's create a look-alike audience. And now this is really cool because it's basically targeting everybody that visited my Instagram account in the last 365 days. And then Facebook can also see everybody that visited my account, like their attributes, what they like, what they follow, what groups they're in, stuff like that. So if I want to create a lookalike audience, I can just hit here and create a lookalike audience, and it's going to look for people on Facebook that have not visited my page, but that have similar characteristics to that audience. And it's just going to give me more exposure, okay? So just for this, if you want to create this custom audience, you just create done, and boom, there you are. And that's how you create a custom audience with Facebook. So I know this was really quick, but I just wanted to show you how easy it is to create custom audiences and how you can easily retarget folks from your video engagement ads. Okay, so again, you put out a video out there that establishes your authority. You ask for no commitment, and then later on you create another campaign where you retarget those folks who engage with that video. But now you're going to ask for commitment, which is you're going to give them something of value in exchange for their information, and those are the folks who are going to land in your email sequence, and then they're going to see you more often because you're going to set off automatic emails to them, and they're going to hear from you at least once a week, once a month, and that's how they get to know, like, and trust you. So guys, I hope this was helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope this is all being very helpful. Again, watch these videos. I know I run through them real quick, so make sure you watch them. Okay, so you got access to this anytime, so there's no reason why not to rewatch it. And if you have any questions, go to the Facebook group, guys. Post any questions there. I'm there. I can reply live. Somebody else that has gone through whatever bump that you're going through right now, they can also help you. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.